Hey Luis, this is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. Thank you for watching this video. In this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to beat your competition online starting today. You're probably wondering why I'm even making this video, and it's simple. There's a lot of business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers, and they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. Typically, the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. So I found that by just making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of business owners still end up raising their hands saying, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of all this for me. So at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you, give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to do all this yourself, that's okay too. This is free education with no strings attached. What I'm going to tell you about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So to start, content is king in this industry, and content is what Google crawls through just to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just terms that people search into Google to find your business. So for you, you have a lot of different areas. Like Arlington, it'd be like cleaning services UList, cleaning services Frisco, Arlington, Westlake, stuff like that. I chose Frisco as your comparison for this video just to show you because Frisco is one of the newer cities. I want to show you what's out there, but you can do the same thing for all these cities. Now, Google wants your front page to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words to consider it as an authority, and that includes all the text that you can read, as well as all the text behind your images, as well as whatever images are saved as. So, looking at your website, it's obviously a very gorgeous website. It looks like it was professionally made. If you guys did this yourself, that's very impressive. There's not a lot of people who have like web design development experience and house cleaning experience too, because those are two totally separate skill sets. So that's really awesome. As far as the content goes, you're probably sitting at about 350 words on here. Google wants you to have about 1,500, 2,000. Back in the day, about 1,000 would work, but that's definitely hurting you as far as like getting found for keywords you want to be found for. So that'd be my first recommendation. You also want to see like what these images are saved as. I can't track these images. Save image as. So this should be saved as a keyword. So for you, be like cleaning service Arlington, cleaning service Bedford, whatever you want it to rank for. So right now, it's image %22 edited. So yeah, you want to save those as keywords because Google can't see images. All they can see is like text. And so basically it scrubs all this information, breaks it down, and then looks through the text and tells, says yes or no if you have keywords. Who I'm going to compare you to is FriscoCleaning.net. It's Maria's Frisco cleaning service. And these guys don't have all that much content. And your website obviously looks a lot better than theirs. But 1,500 words is going to blow them out of the water. And they have Frisco cleaning service everywhere, which is how they're ranking. So, ranking for that type of keyword. Now, that's my first tip is content. My next tip is going to be backlinks. Google is like a popularity contest, and look at how many other links or how many other websites are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And not all links are created equal. You get a lot more power from other like cleaning companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Obviously, you're not a pizza company. And so I use the tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. Costs about $1,000 a month, but it's a really cool tool. Gives you a lot of really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. So I can break apart your whole website based off of like how many websites are linking to you, how many backlinks you're getting from those websites, how much traffic you're getting, stuff like that. So it says you have no websites linking to you at the moment, no backlinks coming from that, but you are being found for 2 keywords, so that's just from your content, and they're only based off of your names. If you look at Maria's Frisco, she's only got 40 websites linking to her, and look how much traffic she's getting for that as well. And she's also being found for a lot of keywords, so like cleaning services Frisco TX, Frisco cleaning service, maid service Frisco. These are what you want to have inside your content and what you want to be found for. And look how much traffic she's getting. Could you imagine having that many people coming to your website organically every single month? It's a lot of business without having to pay Angie's List, Home Advisor, stuff like that. Last thing I'm going to tell you about is going to be citations. When somebody types in cleaning services Irving TX, or what was I looking at? Cleaning services Frisco, anything like that, just to keep it in the same thing. When people type that in, they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first cleaning company that shows up that seems trustworthy. And you want to be that cleaning company because those are the easiest customers to close typically. Now, many people skip these ads nowadays, as you know, no one clicks those ads. So where you want to rank yourself is in the Google My Business section. And getting here requires having more citations than your competitors. Citations are wherever your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are just websites that allow you to list your business's information, like Yelp and Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are all really common ones. So a great strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are in, go list yourself in those exact same directories, and then add a bunch more on top. I always recommend adding 30 to 40% more to give yourself a nice space cushion. So once you take that number 1 spot, it takes a long time for your competitors to catch up to you, and you typically have to do maybe an hour or two of work per month, just adding a couple of citations and keeping that #1 spot. That's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative. What I went over today was content. I would definitely recommend getting your website up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words. Backlinks, you're going to want to copy your competitors' backlinks and then add a bunch more on top to dominate. If it links for them, if it worked for them, it worked for you, or it'll work for you. And let me show you that too. I think I skipped that. You can see what domains are linking to them and take the good ones. So like maid service, house cleaning, maid service, all these .coms, these are all linking to them and showing website like, hey, this is definitely a trustworthy maid company, house cleaning company. So that's that. And the last thing is citations. Go figure out what directories your competitors are in. Go list yourself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top and dominate them. So that's it. We found this really informative, Luis. If you want to take care of this all yourself, that's totally okay. This is free education. There's no strings attached whatsoever. All I ask if you want to help me out would be just to shoot me back a one-sentence reply to this email. It'd be really useful just to help me grow and be better at these. If you want me to do this for you, give us a call. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this. I hope you have a great day. Bye.